What's up guys, it's Selena Maria here, and please excuse the noise in the background. I am in a house with other people. For today's video, this is the look I'm showing you guys. It's more of just like sheet, the eyelashes and everything, and I just started using more or getting more into like eyelashes and everything. I ordered the lashes off of Ulta, and a lot of my makeup's from Ulta and from like Sephora and stuff like that, so I'm going to show you guys everything I've used in this video. Instead of using, you know, dark lips like I did last year, I like to go more like with more of a glam. But yeah, this is my makeup look for 2018. So if you guys like this look, make sure to click subscribe. If you guys want to see how I got this look, just keep watching. Let's get started, because I hate long intros and I suck at intros too. So let's get started. Using my Maybelline concealer, I am going to apply that to both of my lids and blend it out. Then using my Naked 3 palette, I'm going to be taking the shade Limit and then applying that to both lids. Next, taking my Melissa Michelle palette, I'm going to be using the darkest shade inside the palette and just applying that and blending that in. And then next, I'm just going to add some eyeliner to my top lid. Using my Bare Minerals, I am just going to apply that all over my face. One of my favorite setting powders is the NYX powder. I just put that all over my face lightly. And then once again, using my favorite concealer, I'm just going to apply the concealer to my cheekbones, to my forehead, to my nose bridge, and then to my chin. And then next, just taking my shade Light Contour palette, I'm just going to apply that to my face. Next, taking the Anastasia Glow Kit, I'm just going to apply that to my cheekbones, to my chin, my nose bridge, and my forehead. So I'm going to be using natural blush to apply to my cheeks. Time to add the lashes. Bam! Got the lashes, and then we're going to go in with my pencil eyeliner and apply that to my bottom lids. Taking my handy dandy mascara, I'm just going to apply that to my eyelashes. I don't know, that was like 1 year. I think that's after she left because it's really bad. That's why I'm not looking forward to the spring, because it's horrible. Going back into my Melissa Michelle palette, I'm just going to get the lightest eyeshadow and apply that to the inner corner of my lids. Now I'm going to go in with some lipstick. Last but not least, I'm going to take my NYX setting spray and just spray that all over my face. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of my 2018 makeup look. Make sure you guys click subscribe once again, click the notifications, because I post every week. I only post once a week, and it might be more than that later, but yeah, just once a week for now. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. I'm trying to do good in this. This is like here.
Okay.